Hey, yeah, the Williebob adventure. Sounds weird when I say it out loud. This is a little dirt road. I'm going over here to these rock formations. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the side here, and I'll end up on top. I'm way over there. Hopefully. The road's not too bad. Actually, it's a little better this time than last time. So I'm just going to take you in for a second. Now it's back up. Happy trails. Okay, I'm back. Okay. This is a bigger camera, so it's a little harder for me to do. Hopefully I hold it up high enough. I'm getting a little closer. I got a little clunk up front and I can never figure out what it is. They jacked it up. It's not a tie rod end. It's not a ball joint. I don't think it's a shock. Shocks seem fine. Anyway, it's a funky noise. Oh, we're going back in here. I just wanted to show the way in. I'm probably gonna pull over here. Somebody's been making a campfire. Okay. There you go. That's all you get for now. Happy trails. Hey, yeah. Okay, damn wind. Oh, sorry about my French. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I want to make my way up to that ridge. And it goes up. Last time I did it, I went all the way over to there. But I have a couple other things I want to do today, so who knows? So what I'm gonna do is come over here. Sorry about the wind. It looks like I can pretty much zag my way up. But in saying that, well, I can take a shortcut here. I'm going to put you down so I don't fall. Wish me luck. Happy trails. Hey, yeah. Out of breath. Okay. Abiquiu Lake. Pedernal. Okay, where are you? I can't see it. Out there's my Explorer. Why can't I? Clouds are moving. My Explorer's down there. Here comes the wind. I'm gonna turn the other way for a minute. Look this way. Kind of like walk that way. Okay, it's dying down. Okay. And there's probably a turkey vulture. Okay, this is when I'm fixing to go up on top. Up on top of this. Up there is where I'm going to end up somewhere. With the wind, I don't know how far I'm going to go. We'll see. Never know about me. So, this is basically an animal trail, but there are some foot traffic. So, there's a lot of little presence on the ground from deer or elk or something sizable. Okay, let's go. Here comes the wind. Hey, yeah, I had to stop and take a coat off. Well, I'm wearing 3 shirts and then a jean jacket, so yeah, after how many feet this is, I have there. So I'm up 400 feet, I don't know. I'm almost to the top. I doubt I'm going to go to the other side today because I want to go to the amphitheater. And plus I got a hike tomorrow with my hiking buddy, so. Okay, I see some cool clouds. Picture time. Happy trails, man. Hey, yeah. Okay, I'm almost to the what I call the first top. Once you come here, you'll see what I mean. This is where it's a little more yellow and red, and here comes the wind. So, wind. Bear with me for a minute. The wind's blowing. I'm going to try to keep it out of the camera. Okay, so what I'm going to do today, I said I'm going to go to amphitheater next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down there and go about that tree so I can look down. Last year I went up right on the top of that one. That, like I said, with the other things to do, I don't want to overdo it. And then I got to save myself for my hike tomorrow. And this is just something I wanted to do today. Makes me feel free. Real free if I fall. Okay, free falling. Little Tom Petty. Okay, so here we go. We're going down there and now hook back up. Hey, yeah, that damn wind. Pardon my French. Keeps popping up. I'm just going to give you an idea how high I've come up. If I can, without the wind killing my video. Okay, again, my in there. I'm going to what I call tap out from here because, well, I got to go down for one, and then to the amphitheater, and then a boaties for lunch, and then who knows after that. Okay. Oh, what the hell. I'm going to go down again so I can look straight down. That means I got to go back up. But, okay, happy trails, man. Hey, yeah, well, I'm going to call this close to the edge. I'm going to get closer. You see why? Because even where I stand could break away. And that would really suck. It would definitely not make my day. Yeah, just go up there. The top of there, you're talking another, 100 foot maybe. So, yeah, I come down a few feet here. And so what I got to do is make my way back over there and then down that ridge and down to my Explorer. Oh, there comes the wind. We're turning this way. Okay, well, that's this happy trail. I'll probably do something on the way down. Happy trails, man. Peace. Hey, yeah. Just a little tip. Come on, wind. There are more than one trail in here. And, yeah, I see very little foot traffic, so I think most of it's animal. So, if you park down in front of the rock formations, when you're coming up and coming down, stay to the trail to the cliffside. It's much shorter. The other one will, the wind. The other one will take you up there and down there, so then you got to walk clear around, which is not a big deal. I have done it, but just a tip. Okay, gotta go wind. Hey, well, I'm back down, and of course the wind's gonna come up. Yeah, some people's goal is to go from their bedroom to the kitchen, from the kitchen to the living room. Yeah, my goal today was to go up there. Okay, I ended up on top of that guy right there. That's it for now. Sorry. Hey, yeah, I'm driving out of here. Yeah, I was back there. I didn't smell it at first, but was taking a bunch of selfies, and then all of a sudden the wind changed, and you could smell someone dead back there. I wasn't about to go look to see what it was. You know, it could be prey for a mountain lion or something. So, don't, definitely did. Okay, well, this is the road out. Put you up here. You'll be my dash cam. Kinda. I do have a bracket for a camera. Right now I'm using a big camera, bigger, the 21 zoom. But I just don't like carrying it on my chest. But it is what it is. I'm kind of down to this camera that works all the time. When I retired it was giving me some trouble. But I soaked the hell out of it with alcohol. And yeah, the lens was sticking and just everything. You know. As you can see, I spend a lot of time in the dirt. And cameras in dirt, not so great. Okay, I'm going to let you go so I can lean back and take the bumps a little better. It's not bad. Actually, it's a fairly decent road, except for when it's wet. Okay, that's all you get. Bye. Well, there you go. Echo Amphitheater is closed. Oh, for whatever reason, I don't know. I have to look that up. So much for that plan. That means the campground's closed too. Okay, well, it's right back. There it is. That's Echo Theater. Amphitheater, sorry. The Echo Amphitheater. Very closed. Yeah, I got. Let's see. Coolidge. It's a short hike. Maybe a quarter mile. I don't even know if it's that. It's at this rock. So I'm glad I did my Mesa. It kind of sucks. Okay, well, it is what it is. I'll look it up. So, Colorado is that away. I don't know if there's any pullovers that way. I might go down the road a mile or two since this didn't work out. Oh no, I'm going to go out the end. Bad Bob. Okay, down the road we go. Happy trails.